Ever wonder if there's a hidden key to turbocharge your productivity in Microsoft Excel or Google Chrome? What if I told you that you already have the key right in front of you, your mouse? In this video, I'll show you the incredible magic of mapping mouse keys for lightning fast navigation in Excel or Google Chrome. What's up, party people? I'm Dave, I'm a CPA, I go by Piggy Bank Accountant, hence the hat, and without further ado, today I'll show you how I am very productive with my mouse in Microsoft Excel and every other office task. So I have right here in front of me on Amazon the Corsair M65 mouse, which is a gaming mouse basically, but has some buttons into it that I use for my daily productive task when I'm at work. So it's pretty simple. As you can see here, we have the 6 button and the 7 button and the 8. So at the left of the mouse, I use my button 6 to go back and my button 7 to go forward. So I will show you how to map your mouse buttons so you get more productive in your day-to-day job. It's super simple. Look at this. When I click on the forward button, it switches my tab in Google Chrome, and I click forward and I click backward and I click forward and I click backward. So I basically just map those buttons super easy. And when you transfer this to Microsoft Excel, as you can see here at the bottom, I have many tabs, and I just basically click on the mouse here. So I click forward and I click backward. As you can see, my mouse is in the middle of the screen, so I don't have to go down here, and it's really fast. I can spam the button and it switch fast. The other thing I did as well is to map F4, which is repeat last action, to my mouse. So sometimes I go very quick. All I have to do is click here, highlight a cell in yellow, and then I click on another cell. I don't have to do anything else. I press on the sniper button, which is shown on the screen, and I can do basically very quick number tagging. So the mouse link will be put in the comments below. It is the Corsair M65 Pro. That is an affiliate link. I will also put other links to other mouse in case this is out of stock on Amazon. Basically any Corsair mouse will work for this kind of thing. So I will show you how to set it up. It is pretty simple. You have to download IQue, which is a Corsair tool. It's completely free. So once you get your mouse, you plug it in, then you will be into IQ, and all you have to do is click on your mouse. So you go into the home, double click on your mouse, then you go into the key assignments, and then you click here at assignment at the very bottom left, and then you click plus. You click on keystroke, and then what you have to do to map it is control page up. That is gonna be mapped to the back button. So as you can see here, I already did on the keystroke 1, control page up, and then you just click here on whatever you want to map it. So you click on your keystroke 1, click on back, then my keystroke 2, which is the forward button, I just mapped it to control page down, and then I click it here, and then on the sniper button, as I told you, which is in Excel, repeat last action, I pressed F4, and then I map it to the sniper button. You can do it with any button you want. If you prefer it to be on the mouse wheel, if you prefer it to be on the right click, but that will be weird. Anyways, any button, you just have this tool and you're gonna increase your productivity. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, make sure you hit the like button and follow the channel. Peace!